What's up, y'all? Dano here. We're back in the Dan kitchen. I'm trying a recipe that a Dano's fan sent to me. They said, you gotta try this. So that's what I'm trying today. So, basically, it's a salmon, like the smoked salmon that you can buy at the store. And then I'm taking a cucumber, and I'm basically gonna use the cucumber like you would a cracker. And I put the salmon on top of the cucumber with a flavored cream cheese. And of course we're going to flavor that cream cheese with the new hot chipotle. If you're watching this live, it is not available, but it's soon to be. So, let's get to cooking. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this cucumber. This is an English cucumber, not a normal cucumber. Got a toothpick in the house here too, and cameraman Brad, we're shooting some videos today. But
we're back here.
how many people are watching?
We got 28.
Oh, really?
We can join this.
Cool. 28 of you. Well, hello. Name's Dan. I'm the owner of Dano's. If you don't already know, now you Dano. But anyways, we're in Louisville, Kentucky. That's where Dano's is based. If you already follow the page, we appreciate you. You know, always cool to leave a comment, whatnot. Preferably a good comment because you have some Danos and you appreciate the product. And so, and I know it's going to take me 5 minutes to open up this English cucumber, but you know, we're almost there. There we go.
They always say English was the hardest language. I imagine it's the hardest cucumber to open too.
So I'm going to take this cucumber and I'm just going to take my little potato peeler. I'm going to leave a little bit of the skin on. Make it fancy like. So I'm just going to...
Those peelings are going to be the garnish for the next video. No, I'm just kidding.
That is right. I didn't know that toothpick. Alright. So there's our cucumber. Now, let's make our sauce. So I say sauce, it's not really a sauce, it's cream cheese. So we're going to take our cream cheese here, 1 block. This is all the salmon we got, so I would say that 1 block is probably more than enough. Probably only need about half of this, but it's all good because we're going to make this. We might use it for something else. We might just dip a cracker in it, who knows. We might just dip the cucumber in it without the salmon when we run out of the salmon. So, cream cheese in. Can you hand me a couple spoons? Big ones, preferably. Thank you. Alright. Block of cream cheese. I'm actually going to microwave this for about 30 seconds. Can you microwave that for about 30 seconds? Yeah. Is it plugged in? So, yeah, we're good. All right, so we got our salmon here. This is smoked Norwegian salmon slices. It's got this sauce in there too. We're not going to use that sauce. We got Dano's. See if we can get this thing open. Alright, we're going to do it this way.
Sealed for your protection. I bet it smells real smoky too.
Not at all, actually. Thank you. Alright, so we got our cream cheese. First thing we're going to do, you know we have Dano's green original, then we also have the red that's spicy. Here's the hot chipotle. So I'm going to add the hot chipotle, and I'm going to add a bunch of it. You can't overdo it, it's just adding flavor into that cheese. Everybody's always like, oh, why is he adding so much? It's the beautiful thing about low sodium. It means you can add more ingredients, more real flavor This hot chipotle's got a bunch of chipotle in there, so it's hotter than the spicy, but it's got that nice chipotle flavor. So I'm gonna take the garlic here, and I'm gonna put, I got two little cloves. I'm gonna put it in my little garlic press. And remember, Daniel's already has garlic in it. So we're just adding some fresh garlic in there. Do it. Scrape that in. Then we're gonna get us a lemon. So we're gonna take a lemon. We're gonna cut that right in half. Thankfully, it's not full of seeds. So I'm gonna squeeze it in there. If a seed pops out, I'll grab it. Nice squeeze of lemon. That's a lot of juice coming out of one lemon. So I'm gonna hang on to this other piece because I might use it, I might not. I'm gonna get some chives. You can buy the fresh chives and chop them yourself, or you can always get the little chives in these little cans. They're really good. They're packed full of flavor. So I'm gonna mix this in here. I'm trying to think, am I missing something? I don't think I am. So, cream cheese, lemon juice, chives. You can smell the chives. They just, something is different about the chives when you get them in this little can. They're still good. I know they're not fresh. I'm not cutting them fresh, but they're awesome. I can smell them. They're super like pungent.
I know there's no lack of flavor in that.
No. And you can see the Dano's Chipotle. It's got a dark, like, brown color to it.
Even the hue of the chipotle looks flavorful.
The what?
The hue.
Alright. Get this mixed up. You definitely want to melt that cheese for about 30 seconds or so, or just have it room temperature. Alright, let's get a taste. I like that. That's real good. I'll tell you what I am going to do is I'm going to go on and squeeze that other half lemon in there.
That is the juiciest lemon I've ever seen.
I'm telling you, it is. It's crazy. I got as much juice in off this as you would like to. So,
Salt seed drop in.
we're going to add some more of the hot chipotle. Get that mixed up. Toothpicks had a seed dropped in, but I didn't see it and it was already mixed in, so watch your teeth. Alright, now that right there. That's looking good. Mm-hmm. All right. So, let's chop up some of these cucumbers. Just like so, we're going to lay them out. I'm really anxious to try this. So, get the salmon here. That's a big piece, so I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to go in with the, I'm going to build it like this. I'm going to go cream cheese. Just like that. Now I'm going to lay that salmon over the top. Just like that.
Now, over the top is in that snack's probably going to be over the top, huh?
I think so. You know what? I'm even gonna sprinkle it with a little dash of that hot chipotle. Just like that. Give it just a couple little tiny pieces of chive. Just to make it pretty.
Show that one here. Hold on, let me get a picture now.
See that? That's looking good. That right there, my friends.
Self-moving camera. Cameraman Brad will need to get a picture of some of these all prepped up for a thumbnail.
That's good. I don't know if it needs as much cream cheese as I put on there. So I'll just do it like that. Actually, it doesn't really need that whole half piece of salmon either. So just like that. That. It's perfect. It's got the right amount of spice. Just that little touch of chipotle. And just a couple of them. Perfect. That's how I'm gonna do it. Just a little bit of cream cheese.
Does it taste like sushi?
Kind of reminds you of it. I mean, it does a little bit, but it's awesome. It's totally a quick, like easy little snack that
Yeah.
you can take somewhere and people think you're fancy.
That's anything you put Dano's in though, right?
That's right.
I think you're a 5-star chef. Just use one ingredient.
So grab more of the salmon.
Yeah.
Salmon,
I think it automatically does at the end.
just like that.
Dano's makes your heart happy. Let's see who that was.
Look at that.
Jacob.
Just a little sprinkle. And a little bit of chive. That is how you do it.
Can I take a few of them and get a picture?
Yeah, we're most definitely get some pictures with this.
Should I do that now or what?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna do it now. Y'all can watch me do my part.
I would think keep doing the Danos, right?
I can, it's just a little dirty. I like to be clean for the thumbnail, but we can do that. You can wipe it off.
Yeah. Here.
What do y'all think? Just kidding. No. Where's the paper?
Well, bring me that
Yeah,
cutting
that's-
board back.
Yeah, I was just thinking like I need something to sit on. And then put it back. You guys get to see the behind the scenes now. I'll do this. There you go.
Where's 50,000?
That's right over here. Earlier. Alright. Is anybody still watching?
Run them all
Yeah,
spaced
in fact,
together, like bunched together.
I kind of just want them like scattered. But
You know, like 4 and 4, like real uniform.
Jamie from Pittsburgh says the back of your head looks great, Brad.
thank you. Been working on it.
Nobody said that. I'm just joking.
So I would. I think that right there looks pretty good. You want to just scoot this forward so it's closer to this light. Get this light down. Nice and lit. Boom. And can you scoot that way real quick just so the background. And boom. If you are watching this on YouTube, that right there's the picture you're gonna see as a thumbnail. Behind the scenes magic.
So does this mean I get one now?
Yeah, go for it.
Yeah, I wanna try one.
I'm thinking this one's gonna be my favorite because this looks like the peppered salmon.
This guy.
Y'all, look at that. So tasty looking.
It does look good. Look how pretty.
Simple, different,
Yeah, that's good.
healthy, delicious. I guess healthy.
Keto friendly.
I think so, yeah.
With cheese, with cream cheese, is that for keto?
Yeah, cheese is good.
That smoky salmon taste is. You know what? I bet you that smoky flavor I'm getting is coming from the hot chipotle.
I can eat just that salmon by itself.
Yeah, I could eat
That's
about,
good.
Put some of that hot chipotle on it.
I could eat about 20 of these.
Good. Oh, I got.
Sorry, microwave.
Well, that's the Dano show for today. The hot chipotle, cucumber, cream cheese, a little bit of chives, smoked salmon. It was delicious. Till next time, we'll see you soon.